Today I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil on a 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. So what you'll see is this is where the oil goes. This is where you check your oil. Just get a napkin or paper towel. Basically we're going to pull this out. We're going to wipe it off first because we want to see where the oil level is. Basically what you want is it has to be between the high level and the low level. I prefer it closer to the high because a lot of engines do burn oil. Effectively, you're going to want to have it closer to the high than the low. But anywhere within this range is considered acceptable. When I fill it up, I put it towards the high. You do not want to go over the high though because you could have excess oil pressure. So now that we wiped it off, we're going to just put that in. And we get it back out. This time don't wipe it off. If you can see here, it's pretty black, and effectively it's maybe 1/3 the way towards the full. I would say I would add probably about a half a quart here. Generally speaking, when you're at the low end, you can add 1 quart. So if I'm about halfway, you can add a half a quart and then check again. All right, put that back. Now if I wanted to add oil, what I'm going to do is come up here, undo the oil. It would be good to have a funnel, pour it in here, and then replace the oil cap. This one you should hear it click when it's all the way closed. For engine oil, if you're in the US, you use SAE 0W20. If you're outside the US, generally you'll use VW 50800 or VW 50900. Alright, well thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.